Understanding Blessed Eid, a cultural and linguistic journey. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring the phrase, Blessed Eid. This is a special greeting used in Islamic culture during the celebrations of Eid. We'll dive into its meaning, usage, and cultural significance. So, let's get started and unravel the beauty of this phrase. Blessed Eid is a phrase combining two words, blessed and Eid. Blessed implies something holy, sacred, or endowed with divine favor. Eid refers to the Islamic festivals, primarily Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Together, the phrase is a warm greeting that means, have a holy and joyous Eid celebration. It's a wish for others to enjoy and find spiritual fulfillment during these important festivals. Eid celebrations hold immense cultural and religious significance in Islam. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, while Eid al-Adha commemorates the willingness of Ibrahim to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. These festivals are times of joy, reflection, community, and giving. Understanding these celebrations helps in grasping the depth of the phrase, Blessed Eid. When you use Blessed Eid in conversation, it shows respect and appreciation for Islamic culture. It's commonly used during the days of Eid celebrations, when meeting someone who is celebrating Eid, in greetings, whether in person, on the phone, or in written form. Remember, it's a phrase that conveys good wishes and is appreciated by those who celebrate Eid. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, Blessed Eid, and its significance. It's more than just a greeting, it's a bridge of respect and cultural understanding. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this lesson enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!